It's always nice to spend an evening on your patio under the night sky filled with stars. It seems like a really great closing to a stressful day and helps you relax and unwind. However, it can get a little chilly at night, especially as the seasons change toward autumn and winter. Rather than being forced back inside to seek warmth, you can now purchase a patio heater. It can be used to help you enjoy your time outside during those colder winter nights. Whether you're dining with friends and family or just want to get away from the hustle of everyday life, there's a patio heater that can help. In this list, we'll be helping you find a patio heater that will perfectly suit your lifestyle. Welcome to our list of the 5 best patio heaters. Let's begin. At number 1 is the FireSense Aged Chestnut Finish Patio Heater. Boasting a BTU output of 46,000, this patio heater will definitely be the best piece you can probably purchase for your outdoor space. This patio heater is built from high-grade powder-coated steel, which ensures durability and is guaranteed to provide the best value for your money. The powder-coated aged chestnut finish will make it a really nice focal point on your patio, giving it a more rustic feel. This piece can definitely catch your guests' eyes and easily be a conversation starter. Packed with a powerful piezo ignition system which makes it easy to light, the aged chestnut finish patio heater makes sure there's not even a hint of chill in the area. It boasts stainless steel burners and a double mantle heating grid for ultimate durability. This patio heater also features a heat shield, automatic shutoff, and tip-over protection for your safety. The wheels that come with the unit make it easy to transport, so you can easily move it around without effort. The unit uses the standard 200-pound LPG barbecue tank that you have to purchase separately and can last for up to 10 hours. You won't have to worry about running out of heat while you're entertaining your guests. It's also capable of heating an area up to 250 square feet. So if you're looking for the perfect patio heater, then look no further than the Aged Chestnut Finish Patio Heater. It's got everything you could ask for. At number 2 on our list is the Home Depot Hampton Bay Stainless Steel Patio Heater. This product can produce 48,000 BTUs. It'll keep you warm and toasty whenever you're outside, especially during those chilly winter nights. Built from ever-dependable stainless steel, this patio heater will surely stand the test of time. The stainless steel finish also adds a touch of modern style that's sleek and elegant. It will perfectly complement every piece of your outdoor furniture, so there's without a doubt one of the best things you can add to your outdoor space. Equipped with the piezo ignition system, this patio heater can be easily ignited with just the push of a button. It also features an adjustable heat control system that lets you choose from low to high, so you can rest assured your comfort is just at the tip of your fingers. It's also been enabled with an automatic shutoff function, so you never need to worry if you accidentally leave it on. This unit is dedicated to keeping you warm and toasty, and it keeps an area of 200 square feet warm at all times. It uses a propane gas cylinder that can be purchased separately. If you're looking for a versatile unit and the added benefit of being one eye-catching device, then the stainless steel patio heater is definitely the piece you're looking for. Before we head to number 3, if you're new to the community, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more in-depth reviews like this. Hit the bell icon and you'll be notified whenever we post new content. Now back to the list. At number 3 is Home Depot's Hampton Bay Bronze Heat-Focusing Propane Gas Patio Heater. It produces 38,200 BTUs of heat, ensuring a comfortable night with friends and family. Featuring heat-focusing reflectors to provide heat where it's needed most, it makes sure that you'll have nothing but a good time on those chilly nights. It also features a classy hammered powder-coated finish, so you'll definitely stand out among your other outdoor items while providing elegance and style. The Bronze Heat-Focusing Propane Gas Patio Heater is equipped with an anti-tilt and flame failure cutoff switch to provide safety. The weighted base provides stability, while its hinged cylinder chamber door ensures easy access. It uses an electronic ignition system that can be easily ignited, so you don't have to worry about any potential pilot blockage. This patio heater is equipped with wheels, which makes it easy to move around anywhere you like, and it comes with a patio cover to keep it safe from dirt and dust. It can provide heat to an area of up to 120 square feet, with its large cone-shaped burners that ensure effective heating. If you're looking to entertain your guests while keeping them warm in your backyard, then the Bronze heat-focusing propane gas patio heater is a classy, dependable option. At number 4 is the FireSense stainless steel pyramid propane gas patio heater. This boasts a heat capacity of 40,000 BTUs. It will definitely give you that comfort outside your home. This patio heater is made from stainless steel, and you can be sure it will withstand the test of time. The stainless steel finish will certainly add a more modern and sleek look to your outdoor space. The stainless steel burners and heating grid provide the heat needed to keep you and your friends nice and warm. You'll also be mesmerized by the lovely, tall visual flames that it offers when lit. This amazing unit is packed with a lot of features, including a tip-over protection system to ensure safety, an electronic ignition system for easy lighting, a safety auto shutoff tilt valve for when it accidentally tips over. It's also fitted with wheels so you can easily move it anywhere you like. The stainless steel pyramid propane gas patio heater is capable of heating up an area of 120 square feet. It uses the standard 20-pound LPG barbecue tank, which you can purchase separately. It lasts up to 10 hours. You'll also be pleased to know this unit is ETL approved and it's 100% safe. If you're looking to give your outdoor space a modern touch while ensuring safety, then the stainless steel pyramid propane gas patio heater is definitely the one you're looking for. Maybe after our first 4 items you've found the one you're looking for. If you have, check out the links below to find it at its best price. If you still haven't found the right one, then we have one more item to show you. If there's an item or product you'd like to see us review in the future, leave your comments or requests below, and we'll try to get you a fair and square review as soon as possible. If you haven't already subscribed to our page, hit that subscribe button to get more up-to-date reviews. Click the bell icon to get notified whenever we post new content. Now, our last item. At number 5 is the Dynaglow 42,000 BTU Black Pyramid Flame Gas Patio Heater. This amazing unit can provide heat and definitely be the focal point of your outdoor space. Boasting a glossy black finish which provides a sophisticated feel, it will surely capture your guest eye and definitely be the perfect addition to your outdoor living space. It features variable heat settings which enable you to control the temperature according to your preferences. Its clear glass flame tube will keep you and your guest entertained, so you have one less thing to worry about. This unit is equipped with an electronic ignition system that ignites with just the push of a button, while its anti-tilt safety device ensures extra protection. It's also fitted with wheels for easy mobility, so you can place it anywhere you like without exerting too much effort. It also comes with a side door that'll allow you to easily access the tank. It provides convenience when it needs to be replaced. The Black Pyramid Flame Gas Patio Heater uses a standard 20-pound propane tank, which you have to purchase separately. It can provide heat to an area of up to 315 square feet. Never again will you and your guests be forced inside because of the cold weather. You can stay outside as long as you like, with this peste resistance to add to your outdoor space. Patio heaters are a godsend, especially during harsh winter nights if you want to spend some time outside. It enables us to spend more time under the stars, to help us live the moment when the weather is too chilly for our liking. So make sure to get the perfect one to suit you or your family's needs. We hope we were able to help you find the best one for you. If you did find it, be prepared to click on the links in the description box to catch it at its best price. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button. And while you're at it, hit that bell icon to get notified whenever we post new content. Feel free to leave a comment or suggestion. We always look forward to them. That takes care of our list of the 5 best patio heaters. Thank you for watching the ReviewTube channel.